Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for tickets in the MTA TrainTime application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the tickets button at the bottom of the page. And then just click on the buy tickets button and set the places. So the origin and the destination station. And then you also have to set the type of ticket. And as you can see, here you will find them, and then you can purchase it if you want to. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.